Hadian ba ka VPP State Youth kayo priang ya ka jing ut jing nam jong ki khun samla khasi ki batre bat ka company AQ Code Healthcare Service and Solution ka badan halum jing shai ki bala sha pen kut ya ka jing tre kam jong ki klem da ai jing tip shwa ka por la shu ai jing tip shaki da ka shithi ba ki kam jong ki kin kut no menta ka si bat bakan tho ba ki samla khasi ki le ben ne bullying ya ki wei pat ki jat ben rio bai tre lang Andrei andala kali na ki wei pat ki jat penriu bai lang ki pensyai ba kum kani ka jing kan tho kam don bat ka daw ba ar ba ka company kala du nong ka bakot sha ka saw pon san kro tingka na kaliang ka VPP Youth Wing ka penrem ya kini ki jing kan tho jong kani ka company ka bam shong nong rim ka bamut ban penbut nam ya kari bat ka jala baro ka wei
one directly, one without prior notice, one inform ba yengi ba khang noi kan ka office na rum tas ngi te na kaliang chongi ki nong tre yang ne sa ka dum ba no kin su khang no klem ka jing tip klem yathu ko pa yengi bangin wat kam no pa se nre ki su yathu ba yengi ba khang no bat man sunwan yathu yengi ula mare no te na kaliang chonga request nga jing tip lang ikini ki dukot jong ka VPP bakin wan banyarap yengi te na kaliang jongi ni kwa ba Inyo hak ya hak jongi ya ka benong jongi ka bangil atre si banai bat bun ka PF jongi du ka bangil ngimyo bun ngi ngimyo andriu banai nyu banai du khatwei banai du te ngakwa ba kini ka company kan siu yang gini ki bangil benyo buat ru ya ka compensation ka bangil benyo lakum no lai banai mar suddenly ki close ya kini ka company se ingin buat kam bangai
te phila ban ye thu kai ka bale ki khang kan san kai ka daw ki ai
Nam tip kadau ka bagi ai kalong kadau ka bagi ai yang kalong ba kum ka message ka bangi receive ka email kadau ka ong ki ong yang ba ni haras ya ki non tribal ne ban ngakli wei non tribal ne ru ki ong ngim sem la yo ya kata ngim sem la kam sem la jia ka office jungi kan te ki ong ru ba hadu saw pon san crore kilos na ka company jungi nadu ba buat tangkaru ki klem inform yang bagi loss kemudian ka jing loss na ka jing tre jungi ni klem tip ya kata ki loss ne ki nong ne ndre ya ka ai ke bangi tre ni tre bha ni tre jana ya ka kam baro ki staw jungi kaju hikila ni tre bha ki tre stom tangka tahi
yang juga VP State Youth Wing hadian bangi yo complaints baya day wat kani ka AQ Code ka office badan nang yang ko log sai ka ba so pelengo yang ni VP State Youth Wing ba ngiyo ka complaints na kini kon samla jong ba kapoy kata statement na keyboard bahalor na po amana ba may gini kon samla gijongi bay tare hangni kot no kata kam joki benta kasngi ti habang ila ya kli ila ya prathong ke e ko penong ya kini company ban sim kini senjam ba khang kini kajing tare hangni po so salong kalong ba ko ba ya so mene ki long tay kila pentik ba kadang kata kajing dong ka ba 5.5 crore ti ya kani ru omtip na e ka sumi bat kabalengo long madakili ni kini batre hini ong ngimtip kata ka jing to nang ngai ya ka kam malasi ka telon malasi ka baal kalong ba hakat ka statement ka ba thok long ba kadon ka jing le silang ne kata ka jing khamat silang ne ka buli ba ong ba ki khasi jungi kile tomet ya ki wei pat ki jat buli batre ang ni hadien bangila ya kli kini andan hadien bai tu batre hini ula ai ka tu statement ka pen pau sai ba om don kum kita ki ba khat kidan kini ba khay ki allegation ki balong totally wrong kina kalyang ka VP State Youth Wing ka peso si bor bahalor pa kini company bat ba ka na kalyang jong ki staff na ni ki sa tho complaints ba nang scam ru ba ka company kan priang kini complaints bat ngi nang ni kin bu din marba ngim sula ban priang ba simit kin pengkot no ya kan ka juki sanu kan kini kon samla jongi bat ko sulang ko kalong ba kum kaji thu jong ki klong ba lada himut resign arbanai swa hidin pentep te bele menta fi be hakasngi khadu ba pengkot ikani company fi kham ajing tho tangsi tayo na ar tayo ru andai kha sendat fi ai kani ti kum ka VP State run ginom la ang priang ba ni next scam ba ini complain na kalyang staff kin ai kanlong ka ba kani ka company kan clear kan ba clear na mata kini staff
how the work environment of the no one
So without prior notice, immediate, just at this moment, we just inform the staff that we have to quit the job. So we need to talk with who's superior.
Like the letter has been mentioned that you guys have been harassed.
It's not true, no? It's not true. This allegation is not true.
These are false allegations, no, by the company.
So these things cannot happen like this. No?
No, we are like you also, so that there will not be any misconception. You should come forward and say to work. You know, you should come forward and express. You know, tell the truth, because otherwise, our image will be spoiled. Your image will be spoiled, and there will be.
Out of nowhere, he just mentioned that 4.5 crores that this company has lost.
This company has lost 4.5 crore because of the harassment by. Is it true?
It comes out of that and based on bullying. We cannot accept. No, please from your side, this thing hasn't happened.
Hey, please contact them.
So means all of that, I don't terminate.
It's like that only. Suddenly we are closing down this office.
For how long have you been working?
It has been already 1 year, 6 months.
This company is based from? It's based from which state? What's the headquarters of this company?
In Ahmedabad.
Can you tell us, is that true that you have been harassed by the local?
I have been working here for the past 1 year. All I can say is that the message that has been conveyed by Mr. Sharma is not baseless, is absolutely false. The allegations is not true. I've been working here for the past 1 year, and all of my colleagues are very, very warm and very, very faithful to the company as well. So I don't think so that's true.
And having working here, how is the work environment within non-tribals?
Absolutely very, very warm, very, very delightful. Not at all such thing like.
So all these allegations by Mr. Sharma, they are all baseless.
I think so. It's very, very baseless. Not true. Absolutely false.
Okay, thank you.
They have sent for the harassment and bullying. It was not sent by me, it was sent by the lawyer, and there is no such kind of harassment which like we are having from the tribal over here, and everything was fine. We worked everything all this year. We were working together already, and there is nothing like such thing.
So can you tell us the name of the lawyer?
The lawyer name is Amit Joshi.
Okay, where is he from?
He's from exactly I don't know where he stays, but he practiced in High Court.
Do you have any information about him? His ID, you know, because he registered with our company.
No, I don't have his personal ID. I don't have.
And the CEO, is he from Shillong, Meghalaya, or is he?
Yeah, he's from Shillong, Meghalaya.
The CEO.
No, the CEO is from Ahmedabad.
So the CEO just gave a notice.
Yeah, the CEO gave the notice to the lawyer, and lawyer told us yesterday that he will be coming today to give some information. And with that information only we got to know that today is the last working day.
So the information was not informed to you yesterday?
No, nothing.
So you only came to know that these are...
The lawyer will be coming
These
today.
were the allegations made by the company.